dumping plastic balls into water. These black balls help stop sunlight from triggering chemical reactions in the water. Science looks weird sometimes, but it works. Look at this master mason at work. He's not just laying bricks, he's sculpting geometry into stone. Each cut a calculated move, triangles, squares, and rectangles coming together like a puzzle in perfect symmetry. This isn't just construction, it's art on top of a pillar. Nature's version of fast food. That melon bake trick is genius, and the way the fish just swarmed in was wild. Who knew such a simple setup could be that effective? Can you imagine what you could create with cement and plastic? Just wrap semi-wet cement in plastic sheets, press and shape it, then peel it back for amazing results. From natural stone looks to custom patterns, the designs are endless. It's easy, creative, and super budget-friendly. From tree to table, watch the sweet journey of fresh oranges being hand-picked and turned into pure bottled juice. Nothing added, just sunshine in a bottle. Watch this tire struggle for grip in the snow, spinning helplessly. But wait, here comes the game changer. A rubber chain wrap. Just like that. No more calling an expert. This contour gauge copies the exact shape of any surface, making it easy to trace and cut perfect fits for tiles, flooring, or corners. This smoothie blender is smoother than my life decisions. It just turned fruit into art. So satisfying to watch. impressive engineering. A mobile crash barrier that can bring a speeding truck to a dead stop is like a superhero in steel. Portable, powerful, and ready to save lives in seconds. Amazing machine. Quick bricks, big business potential. That moment when your rifle is practically part of your bed setup, ready to protect you at a moment's notice. Talk about next level peace of mind. Who needs a juicer when your orange gets screwed, blended, and served all in one shot? Wow! Guy's got nerves of steel. One wrong move and it's snack time for the Crocs. Absolute bravery. Watch closely. Smart moves and smooth teamwork. These guys pulled off the ultimate fruit heist with just a slick bag switch. The vendor couldn't believe his eyes.